Good day, sir, and to all viewers. I'm here to conduct the safety measures, the safety precautions, calibration, and checking by using a multi-tester. So this is my explanation in conducting a multi-tester. So in checking a multi-tester, if it is work properly, make sure the line here has point to 0. So we need to adjust because it is not point to 0. So make sure it is in correct position. So to set your range selector to times 10. So we need to adjust this. We need to adjust here. So I'm gonna explain the precaution in handling using a meter. These precautions apply eventually to the digital and analog meters. So first, do not drop any meter and use a high range that you will know will not be overloaded. You can always change to lower range if necessary. Do not tamper with the position instruments before you connect a meter to a circuit. Ensure that the range will set to appropriate position and carefully check the circuit before applying meters. Before you do the taking, be careful not to touch any other electronic components.